Hello everybody, this is the team 54 Topaz. Aimed is Michael Keeney, Laura Parrish, Lilia Postolacchi, Nagendra Tripathi. We hope you enjoy our research project about Tesla Motor. Thank you. Background. What makes Tesla unique among other car manufacturers? The name of Tesla Motors is inspired to the inventor Nikola Tesla, the Serbian-American inventor who worked with Thomas Alva Edison and who patented the first induction engine in 1888. Tesla inspired the founders of Tesla Motors to launch the electric motors, and they named the company in his memory. Model S offered the comfort of a family car and the power of a sport car, with an acceleration of 0 to 60 miles in 5 seconds. Its engine is 100% electric. Model S battery pack is flat and posted under the passenger cabin. This makes the car more stable. It is a luxury car and he has been launched in 2012. Let's see Tesla mission. To accelerate the advent of sustainable transport by bringing compelling mass market electric cars to market as soon as possible. Elon Musk is the CEO and product architect at Tesla Motors. In addition to its own cars, Tesla sells electric powertrain system to Daimler for the production of the Smart, to Mercedes-Benz for the production of the Class A, and to Toyota. Musk was able to bring in both companies, Mercedes-Benz and Toyota, as a long-term investors in Tesla. Musk has built and sold electric vehicle powertrain components so that other automakers can produce electric cars at an affordable price because they don't have to develop the products in-house. Because of all his achievements, Elon Musk has been called the Henry Ford of the new era. And now the word to Nagendra Tripathi. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Laura. Now let's look into why Tesla has decided to enhance its supply chain management process. We will focus primarily on the following three areas: the problems, the challenges, and the motivation. Because of high customer demand for Model S, Tesla realized inadequacy in its supply chain process. Additionally, many suppliers were unable to fulfill Tesla's orders. Another unique problem: Tesla was entering a relatively new market which demanded Tesla to build their own supply chain. Tesla required complex supply chain with unique hybrid of the traditional automotive and high-tech industries. The company also had challenges in determining the origin of raw materials because most of Tesla's direct suppliers relied on their downstream suppliers. The even greater challenge for Tesla is to meet the high expectation of customer demand and its global sales goal of 55,000 vehicles. Tesla wants to have its unique signature in supply chain management process. Due to the uniqueness of the product, Tesla has to deal with suppliers that are new to the industry. For example, battery suppliers. Tesla has to demonstrate the effective use of advanced technology applied to manufacturing and supply chain process to achieve the targeted goal. With this, I would like to pass on the presentation to Mr. Michael Keeney, who will enlighten us with answer on how did Tesla build their supply chain. Thank you.
Thank you, Nagi. The first step in building Tesla's new supply chain was finding a leader with the vision to revolutionize the way automotive parts are sourced. Tesla was able to identify a leader with the vision to revolutionize the way automotive parts are sourced. Tesla was able to identify a leader with the vision to revolutionize the way automotive parts are sourced. Tesla was able to identify a leader with the vision to revolutionize the way automotive parts are sourced. In 2011, Tesla hired Peter Carlson, who had been the chief purchasing officer for Sony Ericsson during the tremendous growth of the cell phone market in the early 1990s, so he had experience in developing the supply chain for a new product with a high growth potential. The volume of Tesla's first model, the Roadster, was only 2,400 total units over 3 years. Tesla had a much more ambitious plan for the Model S sedan, 20,000 units per year. Carlson had to determine which Roadster suppliers were able to ramp up to the new production, which ones needed development in order to meet the new demands, and which ones had to be replaced with a new source. In addition, Tesla has worked with their suppliers to develop engineering teams who are committed to being more flexible and responsive to changes during new model development. Tesla uses traditional auto suppliers for many standard function parts and has partnerships with Toyota and Daimler, but had to source other parts from manufacturers that aren't typical to the auto industry. Parts such as electrical connectors are sourced from industrial suppliers like Siemens and ABB in order to handle electrical currents up to 1,000 amps that aren't found in traditional autos. Tesla's greatest challenge in producing a mass-market electric vehicle is sourcing the batteries to power the cars. Because the cost per kilowatt-hour is still high compared to other fuel sources, Tesla chose to partner with Panasonic and build their own battery factory in order to further their vertical integration and control their supply chain. In addition, Tesla has established a goal to source all new materials for the new Gigafactory from North America in order to reduce their environmental footprint and the risk of disruptions in their supply. To address the concerns of owners running out of power on longer trips, Tesla established a supercharger network along major interstates. The superchargers offer free charging to owners and can charge the batteries to 80% capacity in just 30 minutes. This component at the end of the supply chain has made many more customers willing to buy an electric vehicle. Because Tesla produces distinctive products at a lower volume than traditional auto manufacturers, they have chosen to open their own factory stores and sell cars directly to consumers. Auto dealer associations in many states have lobbied their state legislatures in order to prevent Tesla from bypassing their traditional dealer franchise arrangement. Tesla has spent many thousands of dollars for their own lobbying efforts to be able to sell their product the way they think is best. Now Amy Deese is going to tell us about the benefits of Tesla's supply chain.
Thank you, Michael. There are many potential benefits available through Tesla's supply chain improvement. Now we will take a few moments to discuss some of these opportunities in the following slides. Let's begin by recognizing that Tesla produces a unique product and therefore has adopted a unique supply chain. This is beneficial as it means that Tesla has the advantage to work with new suppliers who may not typically sell to automobile companies. This can result in more agile and flexible suppliers who are willing to work with Tesla to meet their needs. These suppliers and Tesla collaborate very closely together, resulting in customized contracts and strong relationships. Another expected benefit is that these supply chain improvements can lead to faster production times. Tesla's goal is to develop their cars in 2 to 2.5 years. The proposed supply chain improvements, as discussed by my teammates in the previous slides, can assist in making that happen. Overall, these changes put Tesla in a better position to meet their customers' expectations. These expectations include the amount of time it takes for them to receive their vehicle upon placing an order, the quality of the product once it's received, as well as the overall purchasing experience. With Tesla implementing their strategy to sell directly to customers, they will be able to eliminate the need to maintain vehicles in inventory, which will in turn minimize risks and holding costs. These are all goals that many companies, including Tesla, strive to meet. This new supply chain strategy will also result in greater customization capabilities. With implementing the direct sales model, as we discussed previously, Tesla will be able to customize products specifically for each individual buyer. This presents a unique and desirable product on the automobile market. It also allows Tesla to focus on upholding its reputation of manufacturing high-quality products. All of these factors generate immense benefits for Tesla. More satisfied customers, lower production costs, and better relationships with suppliers will all promote greater financial and social results. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to our presentation. We hope you enjoyed learning about the supply chain strategies of Tesla Motors.